What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we back at it, guys. Another day is in the books, which means we had another chance to get back in our bag and do what we do, guys. Listen, I have a jam-packed video for you guys that's full of value as well as teaching and learning. So keep it locked. Let's get ready to dive into it. Okay, guys, kicking things off with the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. Sitting at 398.83. It gapped up today and commenced to take off. And so listen to this, man. I just want to really get right to the meat and potatoes on today and tell you that I want you all for tomorrow to be looking for a test of 400. Okay, whenever you have a big round number sitting and hovering above a level, typically the market likes to grab it and bring it to that level. So whether we have another gap up tomorrow, whether we dip and rip soon as market open, look for a test in the early part of the day of that 400 level. Okay, and then we will assess and kind of react from there, because we do have the FOMC coming out on tomorrow. He will be speaking after he gives his rate hike on tomorrow. And so again, those things, those catalysts can change the trajectory of the market, whether we continue to go higher or whether we begin to pull back. Okay, we don't care about any of that. We want to react to what we see and take advantage of the opportunity it presents. Okay, but listen, guys, the SPY on today was up 1.3%, or the equivalent of around $5. Okay, what a move it had. And this is what happens, guys, when momentum is popping, risk is on, you're going to see things booming, guys. And SPY continues to do its thing. Okay, also, guys, class will be in session momentarily. We're about to bring out the charts because I need to show you the follow through to yesterday's lesson. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 197.02. guys, this was just that 180 on yesterday. I told you to look for resistance around 183. Once we bust through that level, it was takeoff season. Okay, and this one was up nearly 8% on the day, 7.8% to be exact, around $14. Okay, this is how Tesla can move and groove once it gets to going and or once it clears resistance levels. And this is why I try to teach you these levels each and every day. So if we get rejected, you know what to do. But if we break through, you know it's time to take off. Okay, listen, guys, the minute you master what these things do, how to react to certain levels, guys, it opens the gate to you setting yourself free. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the charts. For consistency's sake, guys, we're sticking with the 30-minute chart on today. That was where yesterday's lesson came from. Look at SPY on today, 197.58 is where it closed. You always want to be mindful of where it stock closed. That was around 7.8%, $14 move. And after hours, it is sitting at 197.09. Check this out, guys. Remember yesterday's lesson? I'll just go right to it and then I'll kind of go through the teaching from here. We was right here. I told you to look for either this move, okay, to 183, bounce down and take off, okay, or it was going to hit resistance and then go down. Okay, this was my 178 and this was like the 183 level up here, 185-ish, whatever it was. Okay, but guys, check this out. Let's go through what actually happened. Okay, what actually happened was we closed yesterday right here. Look at this gap up. This is called a gap and go. Okay, gap and go. It gapped up. Look at the gap right there. Okay, and then boom, it went up another $14 or 7% on the day. Okay, look at this. Look at it, jumped over the resistance. This was your resistance right here. Okay, you always want to know where these things are at. Okay, it jumped over this level, it gapped up over that level, so we didn't even have to deal with that. It jumped right over that level, boom, and then, guys, it got to moving and grooving. Look at this. It never even touched the 13 EMA. It just rolled that line consistently all day today. Okay, so with that being said, some things I want you guys to look out for on tomorrow with the rate hike being in focus. Guys, we will have a chance to either continue this move. So some levels I want you to look out for, first and foremost, will be $200. Okay, We want to see if we can go test that. We're going to play it level to level. Although we can go higher, we got 209, 213. Those are levels we can hit. We want to see if we can first test 200 on tomorrow. But if we can't, I want you guys to look for this first level of support here. Okay, if you get to see us falling back, that's going to be around at 194.12. That is this level right at the top of this 13 EMA. Okay, that is support. Then you guys have this 38, this 48 crossed into 200 right here, but they happen to meet right at 187. So if we pull back, you're going to have another level of support on a pullback to 187. So you got 194 and you got 187. Okay, these are levels I want you to look for if we go to the downside. All right, you want to know your levels in both directions. Okay, that will be support, and that will look just like this. Let me clear some of this up for you guys so you can see this. Make sure you're taking screenshots of this or watch this twice so you can get these lessons, because it will change your life. Okay, check this out. So if we come down, you may see us come down to this level, try to pop up and go back down. Okay, you may see that. So this will be a level of support. Then this is kind of curling around. You may see this come and then it may pop back up. You never know. Okay, however, we react, so it don't matter what we know. We react to what we see by studying and mastering these charts, so we know what to do and we have a game plan no matter what the market does. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I want you to kind of pay attention to these things. We had a gap and go on today. We were getting met with resistance here. We had a double top. You guys know that led to downside when you see those things. Okay, but finally we came around and we gapped up. Okay, and now we are preparing to take off. The next target is this 200 EMA. All right, listen guys, with that being said, we're going to have ample opportunity to kind of take advantage of what we see on tomorrow. You all know by now the FOMC rate hike meetings and the subsequent meeting that follows provides lots of volatility. So do not fall for the first move. I don't care if the first move is to the moon, or I don't care if the first move is to the toilet. Do not fall for that. Okay, I don't care if you make money on it, but know that whatever it does initially is going to reverse that move on the come around. All right, and you need to be mindful of that. Understand though, this is an opportunity to do some great things long as you maintain your composure. You don't overexpose yourself. You kind of make sure you stay measured on a day like tomorrow so that you can fully take advantage of whatever move we get. And then listen to this, although we're going to have a big move tomorrow, the following day after a rate hike is always another good day in the market in terms of movement. Okay, whether to the upside or to the downside. So you're going to get from that 2:30 to that 4 o'clock range, you'll get a little bit of action, and then you'll get the day on Thursday with the full day to get some action. Okay, so kind of pace yourself, look for the move, but more importantly, respect our charts, respect the TA. TA is technical analysis. Okay, know that they can be invalidated with certain news and a rate hike or CPI. All of that can go out the window. Okay, however, you still want to know your levels. You still want to respect your levels, because if they're broken, you know what to do. If they are broke through to the upside, you know what to do. Okay, and so that's what I want to put on you guys today. But more importantly, man, I just want to say major salute to those of you that's continuing to do your thing. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. Okay, get in there, because first thing in the morning I'm going to be giving us some plays so you can make some money right out the gate, whether it's with SPY, whether it's with Tesla, or what else we throw in there. Okay, so be ready for that. Get in there and be ready to do your thing. Okay, without further ado, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.